guys, and welcome back to my channel and today's video. Today we're going to talk about my makeup wish list, which is, well, you can probably tell, it's products that I really want. But before we get into the video, I really would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel. I put out new videos all the time, so please subscribe. But now let's get into the video. I have 15 products to talk about today, and for different reasons, I haven't purchased them, so I'm gonna talk about the first one first. And the first one is I have a little list here. This is my idea book. So I have a little list here, and the first product is from Too Faced. I don't buy a lot of things from Too Faced anymore, but I really want the Too Faced Peach Foundation, the Too Faced Peach Perfect Foundation. And the thing is that I have maybe seen 2 videos with this foundation. I know that Kill Gooch loves this foundation, and I also know that Evelina Forsell loves this foundation. I haven't purchased it because I'm on a foundation no buy, but I want it, but I don't know why, because I know that it has like a light coverage, but I think the main thing is the foundation. If I were to have that, that would be the cutest foundation in my collection. The second product I really want is the Milani Bold Obsessions palette, and I don't know why I want this, because it's not even the shades that I tend to use. I tend to use color, as you can see. So I don't know, the shimmer one I'm talking about the shimmer one. I think it's that rusty red shade that's like pulling me in, and still it's $20 for Milani. I know that Milani is more expensive than, for instance, Wet n Wild and e.l.f., but still it's like $20 for a palette that I wouldn't even get that much use out of it. So why do I want it? I don't know. I really want the Wet n Wild Goth-O-Graphic collection. Wet n Wild doesn't ship to my country, they only ship to US and Canada, so I can't get my hands on it. And I actually talked to a website and I asked them, do you know if you're gonna get this collection? And they said, since it's limited edition, we don't usually get those types of collections, so it's probably not going to arrive, so I will probably never get it. I actually went on eBay to check out the collection because I know if you purchase the entire collection, you can get it for 40 bucks, but they sell it for like more than $100, and I can't spend on that. The fourth product I really want is the e.l.f. Jewel Pop Palette. I have talked about this in so many videos. I really want that palette. It's like my biggest obsession at the moment. I'm so irritated because when did this launch? Maybe 2 months ago, and it still hasn't been released. I know that I can get it off eBay for $30. It's $10, and so I don't want to pay $30. I am happy to pay $30 for another palette when it's retailed for $30, but I think that paying $20 to a person for nothing is not something that I would like to do. And you guys know that I love Beauty Joint. I purchase all of my, you ask me this all the time, but I purchase all of my Wet n Wild products off there. I ask them every week, hi, are you getting the e.l.f. Jewel Pop palette? And they're like, it's not really available for us yet, but we are going to purchase it once it is. And I'm like, e.l.f., can you get your, can you speed things up? 2 months? Hello, the people need it, so please give it to us. The fifth product I would really love to buy is the Balm bronzers. I am not very familiar with their eyeshadows, but I am familiar with their blushes, with their bronzers. I have 7 or 8 of their blushes, I have 2 of their bronzers, and I do really enjoy them. And I think that this bronzer is a bronzer that I would really like, since I really love their products. I also asked, who was that? No, this was a Swedish website. I asked, do you know when this is gonna launch? And they were like, we have to check that and get back to you. But the minute I can buy them, I will, because I love the Balm, and their packaging is some of my favorite packaging out there. They're so creative. I really love the 50s vibe when it comes to their packaging, and their products are really good. The sixth product is also a bronzer, and this is the Anastasia bronzers. They have come out with 6 bronzers. I think that they have 6 bronzers anyway. I don't think that they have launched outside of their own website, and if I purchase from their website I have to pay taxes, and I'm not about to do that just for a bronzer, and also I have to pay $20 for the shipping, and I'm not about to do that just for one product, like one bronzer. No thank you. I can wait until it comes to Beauty Bay, but I haven't really decided yet. I'm kind of torn between, since I want 2 bronzers. So I'm a little bit torn if I want the Balm bronzer or if I want the Anastasia bronzer, but I really want them. Oh, the 7th product. Oh my god. I have been into indie makeup lately, and I have purchased 2 palettes from indie brands, but I saw the 3rd palette and I don't know why I haven't bought this sooner, because, well, okay, it's this Certifeye. What is it called? The Certifeye palette. I don't really remember what it's called, but I will have a picture right here. The thing is that I saw this palette months ago, and it was because Angelica Nyquist had ordered it, and she was snapping about that she was a little bit disappointed because it had some stains on it. So, an eyeshadow it hadn't cracked, but it had left some marks on the palette and you couldn't wipe it off, and she was upset because her pictures didn't look as bomb as they used to. So I told her that if you email the pictures to me, I can remove the dots in Photoshop. And I thought that this palette was so beautiful, and I don't know why I didn't think about purchasing it myself. I remember that I went to the website and I was thinking of ordering it, but I didn't, and now I really want it, but you can only order it as a pre-order. And I talked to Certifeye and I asked them, will this ship 1st April? And they said yes. I don't have to wait that long, so I might pre-order it anyway. I might even have done it when you see this video. I don't know, but I really want that palette. It's beautiful, and it's all colors, all mattes, and you know me, color and mattes. Yes, please. A palette that I really want, and this is your fault. I'm blaming you. It's the Viseart Brights palette. I talked about this in one of my Will I Buy It video, and I said that I had a little bit of hard time spending that much money on a palette, especially it's a very small palette. I think the packaging is very ugly. I think it looks very cheap and drugstore-ish like. But you said that it's totally worth it. You should buy it. The mattes are so blendable and they are the best, you said. So I'm thinking of getting that one as well, since it is that good, since you guys are telling me that it's so good. But still I have a hard time justifying that, so I am thinking of telling my boyfriend to purchase it for my birthday. My birthday is 11th March, so I am thinking of telling him to buy it for me. But at the same time, it's a lot of money for just one palette, so I haven't decided yet, but damn, I want that palette. The 9th product I would really love to buy is the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipsticks, and I'm talking about these in particular. These are limited edition to her website, so you can only purchase them there. They will not come to Sephora, and I think that those colors, I have to take out the picture just to look at it myself, but I think that those in the front looks beautiful. The blue and the green looks beautiful. The green is called Plan 9, and I think that this looks unlike other greens I have seen. It's almost like a green with, I don't know, but other greens that I have seen have been more bright, and this is more muted and not as boom in your face. I don't know, I'm not that into green lips, so I'm not that familiar. I also think that the shade Zero looks so incredible. It's almost like a gray with a little bit of blue in it, which is looking stunning. But I would really love to buy Blue Blooded, Plan 9 and Zero. I think that those 3 shades looks so incredible. They look so amazing. I mean, they just they're stunning, but for some reason, I mean, I have to pay a lot of taxes and stuff, so I don't think that I will buy them. They're not like an everyday wear for me, but they do look nice. Another foundation that I really want is the let's see what it's called. Jouer Essentials High Coverage Cream Foundation, and they have expanded the line. I think that how many shades did they do? They are adding 33 shades, so they now have a total of 50 shades. It's a full coverage foundation, and I am not really into that at the moment. I am into sheer coverage foundations, like light ones that feels light on the skin. And I know that Editorials love this, and she is definitely one that cakes on the makeup. You know, she loves the full coverage foundation, so I don't really know why I want this, but I think the packaging looks very beautiful. But yeah, I'm super drawn to that foundation for some reason, I don't know. But as I said, I am on a no-buy when it comes to foundations, so I'm not gonna purchase it. The next product that I really want to purchase is also from Kat Von D, and it's her Metal Crush highlighter palette. It's very glittery. I have Ofra on right now. I do prefer their highlights, but I still really enjoy the highlighter palette that Nicole Guerrero did with Anastasia Beverly Hills, and that is more glittery. But the only shade that I really want is the shade that's like real pink. Do you see my swatches here? So beautiful. But that really intense pink one, it's the only reason I want it. I'm thinking of purchasing it. I haven't decided yet, but I'm thinking of it. The 12th product that I really want is the Suva Beauty Cupcakes and Monster palettes. I know that this is old and I can't actually find it, and my craving started when I saw Karen Harris on YouTube. I will link her channel and the video that I'm going to talk about in my description box. But she did a haul when she showed this palette, and I'm almost like, why haven't I ever purchased that? That's totally right up my alley. This palette only contains bright shades. The only shade that I would not use that much is Got Milk, which is the white shade, but all of the other ones, the red ones, looks insane. It looks beautiful. All of these shades I would really enjoy, and I actually went on the internet to try and purchase this, but it's out of stock everywhere. I don't know if I can't even get my hands on it anymore. I have no idea. But that palette, I think I want that one actually more than the Viseart and the Certifeye palette. I don't know. It's a hard one actually. Since we are talking about palettes, I'm gonna mention my 13 object or 13 product, which is also a palette, and it's from Juvia's Place, and it's their festival palette. This palette is beautiful. I have talked about it on my channel and that I do want to purchase it. The only thing that I would change is to do the the blue shade a matte blue and not a shimmer blue, because I think that I already have a lot of shimmer blues from Juvia's Place. But this palette is already available and you can purchase it, but I am waiting on it to come to Beauty Bay because I don't want to pay taxes. I'm feeling that I'm repeating myself, you know, with me saying that I don't want to pay taxes, but I really don't. But I do know that I have to wait a long time for it to come to Beauty Bay, because we haven't even gotten the douche palette yet, and I'm not even gonna purchase the douche palette because it's not really my types of shades. But still, that hasn't even arrived yet, so I know that I have to wait a while. But still, that palette, you guys, it's so beautiful. The red shades is stunning. The fourth product that I really want is a Urban Decay All Nighter Concealer. I don't know why I want this. I haven't heard anyone talk about it, but I remember that I saw it on a Swedish website and I was like, yeah, I need that. I'm gonna purchase it. So I put it in my cart and I was about to order it, but then I remembered that I have a no-buy on concealers. So I was like, no, I want it. I don't even know why. I haven't heard anyone talk about it or anything, but I do want it. I'm one of those persons that haven't tried the foundation, so I don't know if the foundation is good or not, but still, why do I want this product? The last product that I want is the Colored Rain Queen of Hearts palette. And this is Makeup Struggle's fault because I am obsessed with her channel. I found it months ago. I subscribed. I have watched the videos ever since. I love that she's doing these long videos that it's an hour or more. I love them. I can watch that while I do my makeup or when I'm doing the dishes or, you know, whatever. And she loves that palette. She talks about that palette so much, and she talks about the quality of Queen of Hearts or the quality of Colored Rain. So I'm like, well, if those are, or if Colored Rain is that good as you say, they have to be good, because that girl definitely knows her eyeshadows. So I'm like, I want it, I need it, but still, do you even know how many eyeshadow palettes I mentioned in this video? I love eyeshadow palettes, and I have like 3 on my way. So I have already ordered some that I'm waiting on. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you would like me to do more, and let me know what your makeup wish list is. Is there any product that you are like lusting over but haven't bought yet? Are you planning to buy a product? Let me know. I love to read your comments, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like. Bye!